Hello friends, we Fashion Highlights are now a 40-year-old company and we specialize in tie and dyes. Due to COVID, we want to bring some smile in the people's faces and we are basically introducing tie-dye masks. It's going to be a big fashion now all over the world because all countries have been affected. We are doing all tie-dyes past 40 years and our quality standards are all approved and tested by international standards. Now the mask which we are producing is basically all reactive dyes and we have a chemistry to follow to maintain our quality. Reactive dyes, they are substantive dyes and we have to mix an alkali with the color to fix the color in the yarn. It means the cellulose of the yarn, the dye has to be reacted with an alkali to fix. The alkali strips hydrogen with oxygen in the hydroxyl OH group, with oxygen, and it creates a covalent bond. So it is a reacted one, the cellulose of the yarn, that's all the reacted with the dye through the alkali. Before we select our colors and start our process, we must know the chemistry of the colors, the chemicals. There is a lot of science which exists in creating the colors. The rainbow, it's a visible spectrum, and where you find the colors of red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. And when, these colors in this sequence, when we put on the color wheel, and we rotate them, it turns to white. So it's really funny, you have all the colors and all, and when you rotate, it becomes white. So that's all in the colors also which we develop. We develop so many different colors from basically three primary colors. And the three primary colors, which are red, green, and blue. So when we mix red and green together, it changes to yellow. When we mix green and blue, it changes to cyan. It's like a turquoise color, a turk color. And when we mix red and blue, it changes to magenta. So three primary new colors are formed. This is yellow, cyan, and magenta. When we mix yellow and magenta together, a third color is formed, and that is orange. When we mix cyan and magenta together, it's like a turk and a magenta, it gives a new color, it's called a violet. And when we mix a yellow and cyan together, it gives a green color. So in this way, you can go on mixing colors and go on making like purples and pinks and leaf greens in purples, light blues, dark blues, all can be possible in this way. So this is an art of mixing of the colors. Thank you.